Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we're barefaced and I've got my skincare robe on, so it's about to get real. You guys know I'm heavy into skincare. I absolutely love me some good skincare. Your makeup's just not gonna look amazing if the base isn't amazing. You know what I'm saying? So I've got a new product that I recently tried out, and everyone's been raving about Glow Recipe. This is their Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. This is the packaging. And they do have this in Sephora. I'm not sure about Ulta, but I'll leave some information down below. So this is their Glowing Radiance Softening Sleeping Mask, formulated with watermelon, hyaluronic acid, AHA to hydrate smooth for post-facial results, all in one jar. So you can either use this as a peeling sleeping mask where you'll take just a bit and pat it into your skin, you'll sleep with it and then rinse it off in the morning, and then at night, or not at night, but if you just wanted to use it as a wash off mask, you would apply a thick layer and then leave it on for about 10 minutes and then wash off with lukewarm water. I just used it. I did the wash off method, which I will include the demo either here or at the very end. So basically I took the spatula that it comes with right here. I'll take it out so you can see it. I love when it comes with things like this. It just makes it really more sanitary. So I scooped out some, I smeared it all over my face, and I left it for 10 minutes. Now when it came to the time for washing off, I guess because it is such a thick layer and it is very gel-like, it was actually a little difficult to wash it off with my hand. So I had to take a washcloth and actually just really gently just wipe it off. My skin feels really smooth. It looks nice and plump. Surprisingly enough, I would think it'd have my skin really radiant and dewy almost, but it's actually very matte, and I'm not mad at it because I have been noticing my skin to be a little bit on the oily side, so I am not mad at it. It just makes my skin look really clear and smoother. So far I'm very impressed. I definitely need to do the overnight, and I can leave you guys like a little bit of a update down below, but I definitely think you guys should try this out. Everybody rants and raves about this company. This is the first product that I try from there, and I really love the consistency of it. Just applying it just feels very cooling. This is definitely something I would keep in the refrigerator, and those days that I really want to hydrate my face, if I feel like I'm really dry or I just feel like my face is kind of lackluster, this is definitely something that I am reaching for. Off mask. I definitely love the way my skin just feels right now. It just feels like a pillow, like it feels so soft. Really enjoyed using this mask. I love the way it has my skin feeling. I love the texture of it and how refreshing and relaxing it feels on the skin. So this is definitely something I will continue to use and incorporate into my routine, which I will be having a new routine out shortly. I have some amazing new products. Some you've heard, some you have not heard before, but you wish you have heard about it a long time ago. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, of course leave them down for me down below, and I hope that you pick up one of these Glow recipes because they are definitely the best. I do have a coupon code. I will either write it here or leave it down below for you in the description bar. So I'm really excited for you guys to go out and pick one of these up. Obviously, if you order from their website, you can use my promo code, or if you pass by a Sephora anytime soon, make sure that you check it out. Thanks you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.